So, good morning. It is day 12, and we are leaving Sedona at the ripe old hour of 8 a.m., heading east back toward Dallas. But first, the last big stop on the tour, which will be in Santa Fe. Kirsten, do you know the way to Santa Fe?
This way.
That
Apparently.
way? Oh, wrong song, though, I think.
No.
Do you know the way to Santa Fe? No, wrong one.
Yeah.
So, but that's not without a couple of stops today. Where are we going, Kirsten?
We are going to stand on a corner in Winslow, Arizona, because it is en route, so who wouldn't do that?
But of course.
And we are also going to take a scenic drive through the petrified forest / painted desert park at the edge of Arizona. So those should be very scenic.
And if we're lucky, it'll be warmer than 40 degrees out. Because right now, it's cold.
It's fine.
It's cold.
I don't even have my seat warmer on. It's fine.
It's cold. Cold, cold, cold.
It's not cold.
All right, well, to each their own. All right, well, that's where we're going today, and see what we can find. Bye for now.
Bye. You were going to test her too and ask her to find the corner in Winslow, Arizona.
I was gonna, but we found the corner. So, as you can see, we're standing on the corner
in Winslow, Arizona.
And all best laid plans are always have a bit of a snafu.
Did I say it would be a half-hour stop in Winslow, Arizona?
Okay, but it had a little snafu. And as you can see right about now, because I'm overlaying the video, we're in a tree.
Well, the drone committed suicide. Treeicide.
Decided to mess up some of its propellers.
Well,
so
she
we have
was
to do some
flying
surgery
backwards
later.
in her defense. So she couldn't see where she was going because someone else was driving.
Yes. So, but nevertheless, never hit the ground.
No.
We have some propellers that are a little chopped up, but we have replacement propellers.
There was some recovery in the situation.
And the drone will be fine, but and just to slow it down a little bit, I'll show you some of the dramatic midair bumping and grinding on the tree. And now we are on our way to petrified forest.
If we ever leave Winslow.
As we're leaving Winslow.
Which is
now.
Yeah.
There are things I can control, and there are things I cannot control.
Truck pulling over.
Truck pulling over.
Warning.
The time changing automatically on digital devices. Things like that I can't control. So
crazy talk.
It is crazy talk. But we drove through the
petrified forest, and also part of the Petrified Forest National Park is the Painted Desert, which was really, really nice.
I'm going to say the Painted Desert portion
was more exciting.
Was much more exciting.
However, we did both purchase petrified wood.
Right, we did purchase petrified wood, which isn't cheap.
No, but it's pretty.
It is very pretty. But definitely the painted part was more interesting. It was better stop-offs. I would say that probably you get there during the golden hour if you can get to the middle of nowhere like that. Between say 4 and 6 p.m. this time of the year, probably look a little more painted. They'll touch up maybe a little extra digital paint on the pictures.
Digipaint.
A little digital paint. But for the most part, I'd say it was somewhat worth the diversion.
Plus, we got to go by the rock place with the dinosaurs. So I was told.
You got to see the dinosaurs. So, and scream in my ear.
Listen, otherwise she won't stop the car. A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do is to see her dinosaurs.
Apparently so. And we narrowly avoided getting pulled over. So we did do that.
They did pull someone else over.
Somebody else got pulled over. They looked young and doing faster than us.
But it's not a road trip until you get a flat tire. The gas light comes on,
and Kirsten doesn't say what she's about to say. We don't say those things.
You don't say those things.
Those are the unspoken things.
The unspoken things.
Waldo Canyon. Where's that?
That's where Waldo is.
You sure you can find him there?
Well, we would have to go into Waldo Canyon to search for said Waldo.
We have to get off at Madrid.
You're very excited.
Madrid. We're getting off in Madrid. We started the day in Arizona, in Sedona, and somehow through through the miraculous transportation of our molecules, we are getting off at exit 276 in Madrid. I wonder if they'll have sangria.
Probably. It's
All
in
right.
Mexico, so it means like Mexico, but better.
Well, it's not the old Mexico, yeah.
Better. It's better than Mexico. It's
New Mexico.
new and improved Mexico.
Yeah. Mexico Plus. I would think. Oh, maybe. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
Well, it's been a long day of driving.
And we're almost at our destination where we're going to have enchiladas for dinner.
Enchiladas in New Mexico. Go figure. But we are coming up on Santa Fe. I've never been. Have you ever been? No, you've never been.
I have not been over here.
I know.
I'm seeing all these new things out here.
We took a left at Albuquerque.
We did take a left at Albuquerque to get here where we're at. So Bugs Bunny has shown us the way
That's the way.
to San Jose.
Say goodnight, Kirsten.
Good night, Kirsten.